you can strain and reuse old turpentine. Here's some mineral spirits that I have in a glass brush washer. There's a very thick layer of sludge at the bottom from a large painting that I did. So you'll need an empty container, and you'll need some coffee filters. So you want to open your empty container. This is where you are going to strain your spirits. You take a coffee filter and you put it in the container. You do want to attach the filter to the container because I didn't put any rubber band on it and my filter immediately fell in. So I took the filter and I put a little rubber band around it. The turpentine or the mineral spirits will filter through and the sludge will stay behind on the top of the coffee filter. This is the sludge that was in the bottom of my glass brush washer. So I just took out this little metal piece and I'm going to throw that sludge in a bag so that I can clean the container out. So here is some of the sludge that was left behind in the coffee filter, and that's the clean turpentine or the filtered turpentine. I did clean the glass brush washer. I used some soap, water, and a Brillo. I tried to clean this little metal piece, but it was a little hard for me, but that's what it looks like. So here's the Brillo that I used, and I made sure that I dried it out before I added the clean turpentine back. Now, so for some of you, you might need to repeat the filter process depending on how clean you want your turpentine to be. This video is just a tutorial, so I didn't repeat it. So this is my end results. If you want it more clear, please continue to filter it over and over. And here's the bag where I just discarded all of my materials because turpentine is flammable, so be careful when throwing it away.